head-on motor vehicle accidents in Massachusetts. Good afternoon, I'm attorney Neil Burns, and I'm going to talk a little today about head-on accidents and how that works in the legal process. These are some of the worst accidents I've ever seen, and they're some of the worst accidents here in Massachusetts. If you're a victim of a head-on motor vehicle accident, or if your family member is, give us a call for a free consultation. Sometimes you think these cases are going to be easy, that the insurance company understands because it's pretty clear where the accident happened. It was on the wrong side of the road for the other driver, the right side of the road for you or your loved one. They have to pay, they have to understand, but they won't and they don't. We've had them where the other driver will say you swerved into their lane and then swerved back and they were trying to avoid you. We've had all sorts of stories, and once the insurance company has a story they can go with that's somewhat credible, they will go with it. They will aggressively pursue reducing your claim to as little as possible. And you think they're going to come up with the pictures, they won't. You think the police report's going to be helpful. It sometimes is, but the police officers are not necessarily going to come back and testify, and they didn't witness the accident. You need an attorney to aggressively pursue it. You need someone to get the pictures, get any video there is, get the property damage from the insurance companies who have the motor vehicles and who have the reports of the property damage. You need someone who understands medicine enough to be able to get the right doctors to write the right reports to get to the insurance companies. And you need an attorney who has been doing this for a long enough time to say, I know how to process this case through the insurance process, through the legal process. You have to be able to file a lawsuit and follow that lawsuit all the way through to trial, or they're not going to treat you seriously. Just because they were in the wrong lane, just because the police officer cited the other guy, just because you're injured and they're not, just because you're a passenger, does not mean that you win. You absolutely need to fight these insurance companies and their attorneys with vast resources, with as much power as you can. I've been practicing here in Massachusetts for 36 years. My partner, Rashawn Jan, is in court almost every day. We're here to protect you. We're here to defend you. We're here to aggressively pursue your case and effectively get you the best settlement or judgment against these insurance companies that we can. Now, the TV lawyers are out there and they will tell you that they do this all the time, but they're basically processing so many claims per day, per week, per month, because they have to pay for those TV ads. We don't do that. This is our firm. We don't have any outside companies putting TV ads onto the TV for you so that you can think that you have a great lawyer working for you. Those are TV personalities that just have a firm. We work for you. My partner, Rashawn Jan, and myself, our associates, our paralegals, they all work in our office or out of our office remotely all the time on your behalf. Give us a call, 617-227-7423. These head-on collision cases are very serious and they need a lot of work to get you the best possible result. Thank you.